In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft on browser. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase how you can play Minecraft directly on a web browser. So as you can see, I have Minecraft Java Edition running on a browser, but I also want to showcase Minecraft Classic. So if what you want to do is play this version of Minecraft, it's simple. Just go to classic.minecraft.net and you will be able to enjoy. A lot of people probably have nostalgia for this version because it was the original one available on the official Minecraft.net website back in the day. So if this is all you want to do, you can visit this website and play the classic edition of Minecraft. Now, if you want to play Java and newer versions, then what you have to do instead is go to eaglercraft.com. In here, you will be able to choose the version, so you will have release 1.12, 1.8, and then some beta and alpha versions. So once you find the website, you will be able to play. You can play Minecraft on PC, Mac browser. It can be played in the browser with Eaglercraft. So go ahead, choose the version, and then select Play Now. So I'm going to close down this tab to show you how it looks when you visit it for the first time. You will see this message, Eaglercraft WebAssembly is supported on your browser. Now, I am not going to do it, but you can if you want to get double the FPS possibly. So I'm just going to use the JavaScript version, and then you will load in. So you will see the Mojang screen like this, and you can pick your username. It's important to pick a unique one because if you pick the same username as someone else, you could have trouble while joining service. Then you can choose one of these preset skins. Once you have this skin set up, choose done, and now you are ready to play. So this is going to be a more refined version of Minecraft, essentially 1.12 in its entirety, and you can play it on a browser. So I'm going over to single player, but multiplayer should also work. You will load in, and now you are ready to play. So you can clearly see that I have most of the features of Minecraft Java available. It is simple to do, and you can do it directly on a web browser. It runs up to 1.12, and all that you have to do is go to eaglercraft.com. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality content, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.